Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business print design using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a flyer design for business printing. I pause because print shows every mistake. I duplicate the layer immediately. I open Smart Sharpen and zoom in close. I increase amount gently. I adjust radius to keep text edges crisp. I reduce noise to avoid grain in print. I pause and compare before and after. The difference feels professional. I zoom out and imagine this flyer in someone's hands. The business now looks serious and credible. Smart Sharpen here ensures clarity survives printing. I stop when everything feels sharp but comfortable to read. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity